Otieno, KTN News.
Viongozi kutoka katika kaunti ya Garissa wamejitokeza kutetea seneta wa Baringo na mwenyekiti wa KANU Gideon Moi kutokana na cheche za maneno na madai ya mbunge wa Garissa mjini Duale. Viongozi hao wamekashifu matamshi ya Duale ya ufisadi yaliyoelekezwa kwake, wakishikilia kuwa Gideon Moi ndiye kiongozi ambaye amejitokeza kimasomaso kupigana na ufisadi.
We support and stand in solidarity with our party leader on his position on corruption in this country. Honorable Gideon Moi, Senator Baringo, his position on fighting corruption is something which every leader needs to do. And there is no reason why our brother Duale has felt or panicked very early on this issue. What he meant for this thing, he did not understood, I think, the position of the senator, Gideon Moi. Gideon Moi meant, when he was talking, that corruption has been a menace in this country. And fighting it, it's a responsibility of every leader in this country to do his part or her part. But unfortunately, some of our leaders in this country have taken it personally. And why everybody doesn't know why an individual has to personalize that statement. We therefore condemn the statement of Honorable Duale.
I don't see why somebody should panic and say that so and so, start pointing fingers and name calling. So we are against that, we condemn that, and we are saying any leader who is in the position of fighting corruption should fight corruption and not encourage it.
Na mtazamaji, tunazo taarifa zaidi ambazo tumekuandalia. Tutakueleza kuhusu matukio ya siasa ambayo